actually was not happy when she sent me something. Then I realized that it was not supposed to be what it was. Hi, my name is Sharon. All I wanted to do to my home was renovate the study room portion. As I went along, I realized that more and more things needed to be done. I told Candy that I wanted something that was easy to maintain. I don't see the clut anywhere. I left it to Candy to sort it out. Every time she comes, she will actually send me photos of the renovation work that was going on. The only time that I actually was not happy was when she sent me something. Then I realized that it was not supposed to be what it was. It had to do with the master bedroom wardrobe was supposed to be black, but she gave me a white wardrobe. So I asked her why, and she said, oh, it was all sorted out already because she had already told the wardrobe guy that it was wrong. I think all of it was taken care of by her, even before I actually mentioned it. I like the dining area. It's pretty cool, the wood accents of it. It was actually swapped from the living room to dining room area. So the good part about swapping it was that I could actually see outside. And if I had guessed, it would be a nice view actually, because opposite there's lots of greenery, so it's quite nice. I can confidently recommend Jialux and my designer Candy because she'll do some renovation and then the floor will be all dirty. Then she'll be the one cleaning it up in the end. She put in so many late nights to help me clean up, rectify things, the ones that she could do herself now. Thank you Jialux and Candy for giving me a fantastic home.